So, hello, and what we're going to be doing today is very cool. Let me show you about fur creations. I made this and it works. You can go into the water. It works very goodly. And yeah, so let me just show you how to do it. First of all, make a new thingy. Then when you did that, well, you have scratch it. You don't need that because we can just use this scratch kit. Now when you make this scratch kit, make it smaller by holding shift so that you stop holding. Don't hold shift. If you did do that, just do Control Z. Then you look. See, it goes back. That's undo. Now make it smaller. Now it looks super funny. Look at him, look at him, look at him, look at him. What you're gonna do is make him start at 0, 0. Now, the dad do a forever loop. It's a linear. Wait, I'll change it to make it fitter. Let's chicken. Where's English? There it is. So now this works. Go to XI. So now, what you do is if key pressed. Now have that for all of them. Now do W. Where's W? W S A and D. It's not West. I know that, but oh my god, that's yes. Now when you did that, now go onto the, you know what this is. Go to motion, and then turn 15 degrees, like that. Change them to 5, but you can do whatever you want. Next thing is going to be like it's going to do move 10 steps. You can use however this one you want, like that. Now we're going to start using the hard things. No, make this. Now make a level of whatever you want. Just make a level. Just do something because you're scratch cat. Just do something, and then make it go to 0, 0 when you're done. Make like a little maze. Now when you're done, you'll have a maze game, which gonna be it's gonna be really cool. Now, when you did that, select the whole thing. And if it's not on this, put it there. So now, when click on the spread, go to 0, 0. So now it's gonna do that. But we don't want you to spawn in a wall, do you? So I'll go into costumes and do this so that you don't spawn in a wall. Bam. Now, when that's done, we can now go here, starting with the hard things. First of all, make a block. Change the block name to, it's obviously going to be moon. Then add an input, steps, and I'm copying this from GriffBatch. I'm going to make some things that are not from GriffBatch. Move down. So 3 and move that there. And you have to be minus 10. Bam. Do this. So you be a 3 and you be a 3. You need to make minuses. So this is just slightly. I only did that just right there.
Mattias, mi muslim potom pelala s kolesom, pa se je drla zdravo, pa sem spet nazaj zdravo.
Get back. Just ignore that. Now, when I'm done with that, duplicate this. But we put a move steps block. Now we go to operators, put a minus. Grab the steps and put it here and do 0, which then has that effect on our game, which then, well, that works, but backwards does not work. Backwards does not work, but W, not key W is pressed. If touching, if touching level, wait, was sprite 1, touching sprite 1, then it's gonna start, it's gonna start with 10. When you did that, then it should work, but it doesn't work anywhere. Because, yeah, let's show how to make this work. Steps. Now when you do that, touching sprite 1, do that. So now, make her a -3 and it should work. Nope. Don't move anywhere. But I can do something that isn't very next to this. By the way, it's literally just Let's move 2. That works. Huh. Let's go into costumes back. We're gonna change this rotation by holding shift. We can do this, which then will make it like that. But when you go forward and backwards, it works. And we still don't have collision, so that's what we're gonna do. It like round now. So when we got this, now just let me show just how I did it in here. That's how I did that, basically. So what we do is just change it all back at our rules. So change just the steps, and your thingy should work with collision. It has collision detection, but it doesn't have collision detection when you do this. See? When you touch that. So we're gonna make that. Make a rotate block. And add an input named roll. We have that. Now we're gonna change these like this. You're gonna rotate the row and rotate it 2. Now do like a row 2, like others. Row 2. First double this and second double this. We did this, but these in like that. Now get the rotate 1, rotate 2. Now the rotate 1 is gonna rotate 3 and then 3. Now you grab this, but not if touching sprite 1. If touch, yeah, it's gonna be if touching sprite 1, but if touching sprite 1, then when it does that, then if it's that, then grab this and rotate it 3 like it's here, 3 degrees. Do the same for here, but these degrees. The same for here, but like this. So now what you'll have is just a thingy which has collision. Wait, see, you can't move. It does not work. Let me show you why it does not work, because why do you go to zeros? Just make you go to 0 non-stop. Will that work? Yes. Now you can spin, but when you go into the wall, it detects collision and you can't go further. That's how to make one, because it's clearly touching the finger. Let me show you that it's clearly touching the finger. 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 Clear, like it's clearly doing it. Okay. And so now, when you did that, you can upload it, and you have a fully game which you can't touch walls. Even this wall right here, which is super fun, you can't touch it, but sometimes you'll get stuck. Sometimes, yeah. You just restart the game to just spawn. Because this is cool, and it's clearly not touching it there, but it's still so cool. And by the way, rough patches thingy, like, no, he ain't be doing anything to my thingy because he didn't do this. He didn't do this to his work. That you can just do it. He made a hit. I'm smarter and I did this, which is a lot better. And that's actually really cool. Now, how to make it better? How to make this? If you would make this in Selenia, I will just yeah. So bye.